welcome. I've just started processing my firewood this spring, and I'm going to show you how I set it up. Now let's start at the beginning then. I have a small pile of unprocessed firewood here at the side of the yard, and then I use the forks on the front loader just to move them over to the processing machine. I then load the unprocessed wood here on these overgrown sawhorses, or table as we like to call it. And then you just roll it. You roll the logs down here up on the machine. The machine has an hydraulic belt that feeds the firewood into the machine up to this stop that you can set for whatever length you want. And here I've opened up the processor a bit so you can see it uses a regular bar for a chainsaw and chain, and it's so nice that the chain links use the same file as I use for my my regular chainsaw. So yeah, bonus. We also can split it in 4 pieces if we want to. And once the firewood has been cut, it drops down. There's an hydraulic ram that splits the log. Once the logs are split, they're transported over to the sack, where I've chosen to stack the firewood in the sack quite densely, just to get more firewood in each sack. And also, when the firewood dries, this is more stable. It doesn't tilt and fall over, so it's easier to store. And once the sack is full, I simply take the forks on the front loader and move it over here to my pole barn, where I store it. The firewood currently being processed is going to be used in 3 years, so just trying to be prepared as best I can. And here's the setup with my wood burner. I simply built 2 small trolleys that fit under a pallet, load them into here with the forks, and then I can push them closer to the wood burner. All right, let's start cutting some firewood then. Without a doubt, stacking the sacks is my least favorite part of the entire process. Yeah, here's my step stool. I don't know if you can see it through the sack, but I tried to alternate the firewood in layers to try and lock it together a bit more, make it a bit more stable. Okay, another full bag. So what I do next, of course, is to tighten the top and move it over to the pole barn. Simple as that.